everybody. I am going live again on my personal page for another Insurance Tips Tuesday. This one is going to be a little bit different. We're not going to do any insurance tips, and I'm not going to do it every Tuesday. Maybe a couple times a month. There may be some weeks where we're back to back, or maybe other weeks where we take a break. But this one is not actually any tips. It's how did Odyssey Insurance and Investments come about? Where did we come from? Who are we? What type of people make up Odyssey Insurance and Investments? So how did we come about? I have always dreamt of owning my own business and being a business owner. Never really knew what that looked like. Just knew it was something I wanted to do in the future. I loved what I was doing prior to being a business owner, which was in the insurance. I've been in the insurance industry for about 6 years. And I loved always serving my clients and taking care of them and serving them in any way that I could. My clients really have always made the job for me. I love problem solving with them and working through the situations to help find them the coverages that they need. And I really liked educating them on the process. I've never been someone who just says, oh, here's your price, there you go. I want you to understand and know what you're purchasing. That is important to me, because if you don't know what you're purchasing, you don't know what you're missing, and you don't know what you have. You don't know the value of your policy, whether it be your standard auto and home, or it be a health policy, and where you can and can't go. So one of my favorite aspects has always been educating my clients on the type of insurance that they have and what they are purchasing. I want them to be aware. So always loved that. So I felt like I was happy. I've always been happy in the industry, and then all of a sudden God put this opportunity in my lap, and I was like, whoa. I knew I wanted to be a business owner, but I didn't know this is how it was going to come about. This is what it was going to look like. None of that. And so God presented me this opportunity, and the ball started moving very quickly and rolling very quickly. There were some days I didn't have time to process it all, and it actually ended up being a lot different than what he even initially laid in my lap. And I am thankful and blessed every day for the journey that he put me on to get me where I'm at today, because it was a very faith-filled journey. So with that being said, that is how Odyssey Insurance kind of came about. Always loved what I did, loved the industry, dreamed of being a business owner, and then God said, here you go. And November 1st, we opened up our doors, Odyssey Insurance and Investments. So what is Odyssey Insurance and Investments? We obviously sell insurance of all kinds, and then we are also in the process still of getting our licenses in place to sell investments. We're not there yet. I would like to say 1 month out, but just for timeline of things, we better push it closer to 2.5 months, pending everything moves down the pipeline the way I want it to and correctly. So that is still coming, and we will be able to do simple plans, mutual funds for individual or employers, all of that. So that is coming, not here yet. Insurance that we can currently do, wide variety. Pretty much, well, if it's insurance, come find us. We can offer it. I'm talking Medicare, health, event insurance, travel insurance, group benefits, employer benefits. So if you're an employer and you want to offer your employees health, dental, vision, short-term disability, long-term disability, we can do it all. We also offer your standard auto, home, umbrella, life insurance. All of that's out there. So if it's insurance, we do it. In addition to that, that's what Odyssey, how did we get here? What are we? Who are we? We are an office of 3 God-fearing women who wanted to create a culture that put God first, and then along with our family, and then of course serving our clients. Those are all of our top 3 priorities. We are all 3 mamas in this agency. I have 2 kiddos. Megan has 4, and Rachel also has 4. And so we are a family first agency. If you ever stop in, there's going to be days when kids may be in here. We have a break room, a play room for them, place for them to hang out. But as we all know, as working parents, sometimes kiddos just have to tag along with you. And we fully and 100% support that. We are also 3 women who are passionate about helping others. We want to continue to help those people who need us, who want to be educated about what they're purchasing, whether it means, running through their coverages, seeing what they do and they don't need, or what they do and they don't have, or helping someone find the right fit for them, both financially and with good coverage, or coverage that fits their budget based on what they know they do and don't have. We want to help you. We are passionate about helping you and about giving back to our community. We want to be involved in our community and give back, because all that is very important to us. So that is how we came about, what we are, and who we are. And we are here to help you, serve you, be there for you, whatever you may need in any of your insurance and in the future investment options. So please don't hesitate to give us a call at the office. We do have some varying hours to work with that family dynamic, as well as those people who may not be able to come in during a workday. They need an after hours appointment. So, but give us a call, stop in, check our hours on our Facebook page, on our website, find us on Google. We're out there. Also, follow our Facebook page. We love contests. We are constantly having contests to give free stuff away. Some of our contests require participation through quotes, referrals. But a good portion of our contests just means you have to usually like, share, or follow, or a kiddo. We have contests for children. We've had 2 now. That's no insurance related. It's just to get the kiddos involved in doing an activity, and we want to give back to the kiddos in our community. So, go find us on those social medias, share, and follow for a chance to enter our contest. We want to give back to our community, and usually it's in the form of that, in that way at this time. So give us a call, 812-932-2200. You can go find our email, our social medias, message us on there, and we look forward to talking with all of you. Have a great day, everybody.